Tēnā koutou ngā pē o te wānanga, he Korokoro Tui, tuatahi, he Waiata Pākehā. She wrote me today that she won't be back to stay, that she'll only come to pick up her clothes. She wrote, I must not cry, that her love for me has died, but she's found someone else, I suppose. Baby blue, baby blue, do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be here no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. I know I must forget all the good times we've had, but I know that I can't forget you. You're still on my mind, and I know I can't find such a girl as my sweet baby blue, baby blue, baby blue. Do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that I can't forget you. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. Kia ora. Well, whānau, that song I chose because I don't really know many songs. I still don't even know that one, but it was a song from way back in the day when my parents used to go to parties, and that was a party song. Still love it though. My goals for my 2020 te reo journey is to learn and share with you guys, and to go forward and really make it happen this year. So kia kaha whānau, and te hei Māori ora. Tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Ai.